Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am thankful to all my subscribers for their love and support. In this video, we are starting a new series on Excel learning, which will be called Easy Excel Tips. So in the first series, we are putting up how to do vertical auto sum, horizontal auto sum, and vertical as well as horizontal auto sum. So let's start this video. So on the test one, we have a vertical auto sum. So I have a data where we have in the column B, we have sugar, milk, fruit, fuel. So those are my products. And here these are the amount. So on the cell value D15, we need to add the sum. So the first thing is, if you see on the top right side of the page, there is a auto sum. So you just have to click that. So once you click, it will be selecting the data on the top. So you just have to press the enter. So it is my all the sum is calculated now. So the other way is I'm putting up another sum at cell address D17. So if you like, either you can type equal to sign first and then sum and then start of the bracket, and then you select the range. Like my range will be cell address which will be D8 and it will go till D13. So I have to put up cursor on my first one and then drag it to the bottom till my range is over. So once it is done, the range is highlighted. So you have to press the bracket close and then press enter. So these are the two methods. So whichever you find it easy, you can do that. So that will be your vertical auto sum. So if any of the value is changed, let's say instead of first value sugar, it's 450 now, but if I change this to, let's say, 500, so my sum will be changed automatically. So as you can see that. So that was the first test, how to do vertical auto sum. Now we are coming on the second test, which is a horizontal auto sum. So my data is here, like month-wise sale is 564 February and then March and then April, and this is my sales data. I have taken a dummy data. So let's say on my G column, let's say on F10 column, I need to put up the sum of all these value. So again, if you like, click on the sum here, auto sum on the top right side of your Excel sheet, just press that, and by default Excel will be selecting the data. If there is no data on the top, it will be selecting the data on the left. So then, see this one. So if there is a data on the top also, then Excel is confused. So in that case, you have to select the range. So there is no data in this case on the top. So the Excel is selecting the data on the left side. So it is selecting data from B10 to E10. So now you just simply have to press enter. So that is, so I can show you again. So select auto sum. So data is automatically selected. So then press enter and it is all done. So, but let's say if I have to select, I'm deleting that. The other formula is again the same. You have to put up the equal to sign and then sum and then start of the bracket and then select the first cell from where you want to start the sum, and then it goes till the end of the cell. So now press the close bracket sign and then press enter. So it will be doing the same thing. So again, like if you are selecting the auto sum, there is a option. If you have noticed, there is a drag down button. So you can select average, count numbers, maximum, minimum. Let's say if I select average and select, so this is my average, $2,160.50. So same way, if I'm selecting the max one, let's say if I'm selecting out of these one, which one is max one? So if I select this, so April sale is my maximum sale. So these were the two things. And now coming on the third test, which is my vertical as well as horizontal auto sum. So I have the data like in my column B, I have products, different products, and then January sale, February sale, March sales. So now my purpose is I have to put up all vertical and horizontal sum in this column, which is F15, I have to put up here. So let's do both the things, vertical sum firstly and horizontal. Otherwise you can do straightway also, just select sum. So now the Excel is confused which way to go. So you have to select the first row on the top left side, which one is the data first. Then you have to drag to the bottom and then drag to the right. So that way Excel is selecting all the range starting from, if you can see, C10 and it goes till E13. So after that you press enter and this is my total sum of all the data. So same way you can do that. If I, let's say, in another method, if I am doing that, so select, put up the equal signs, then sum, then start of the bracket, and put up the cursor in the cell address C10 and then drag to the bottom and then drag to the right. So I am doing that, then close of the bracket and enter. So these are the two formula. So whichever you find it easy, you can do that. Like in the same, if I have to do like a vertical sum, just press this, enter. So it is done. So if I have to like copy same here for the column D also, you don't need to press the formula again. Simply you have to put up the cursor on cell C15 and bottom right side, if you see, there will be a plus sign appear, as you can see that. So did you notice that? Top right corner, sorry, the bottom right corner, if you see there is a plus sign, just when it is there, just you have to drag to the right side. So once you've done that, so the sum formula is automatically copied. See this one? You can see that. So same way, if I have to do horizontal sum here, press auto sum and enter. So my auto sum is here. So now you have to like see the plus sign is coming up. So from there drag to the bottom and it is doing all the auto sum. Followed. So if you just check that, so put up the cursor here and if you can see on the top right, bottom right side, you can see the sum is 56241, that is matching. So it is giving you all the formula. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video and keep watching. You will be finding some further more Excel learning videos. Thanks a lot.